So no full install video today, but I'll do some before and after clips of what it sounds like at the end. But super easy installation for this BMS Burger Motorsports intake system. This you can see there, says it's from for a G30, and it is from a G30. But everything's swapped over except for, my guess is some kind of mounting bracket, because I mean, it does feel a little loose, but it's fine. I got that part for free, so I'm not complaining. I bought that off Burger Motorsports. It's like 70 bucks shipped. But yeah, super easy. Just obviously unclip the OEM intake off these guys, take the top off, and put this on. Just make sure this goes the right way. But yeah, clamp it on, call it a day. So yeah, here's a couple before and after clips. Enjoy. So there is a bit of a difference, as you can tell. Not enough, but I think it's because this thing is still there. This big old resonator guy, or resonator. Is that what it's called? Silencer? I don't know. Everyone calls it different. I've heard it called different. But yeah, that guy. But 200 bucks compared to, 500 bucks, all the other intakes. I'd say it's worth it compared to those. If you're going for the sound though, I would just bite the bullet and spend money on the full, something that does a full replacement, gets rid of that guy. Probably better off. Probably be doing something similar with like a Dynon intake or something, because carbon fiber is life. But yeah, so I got it for free for the most part and just bought the filter, so definitely well worth 70 bucks, 200 bucks compared to everything else. I would say it's probably still worth it, but again, might just want to bite the bullet and get the full system. But yeah.